Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring you're using the account that has the apps, because personalization saves to your profile. Once signed in, Start with the Windows key or the Start button at the lower left. Make sure the app is installed and appears in the app list. If not, install from Microsoft Store or run the installer. Next, find the app tile or app name in all apps. This is where you start the drag or right-click process to place it on the home screen. Don't skip this. Now you take the concrete action. Right-click the app and choose Pin to start to create a tile, or choose Pin to taskbar for quick access. Alternatively, click and drag the app from all apps directly onto the desktop to create a shortcut. Hold and drop where you want it. Once placed, you can resize tiles via right-click Resize and rearrange by dragging. Make sure to test the shortcut by opening the app. This confirms the link points to the installed program. Finish by organizing and locking your layout if desired. Settings personalization start to control tile behavior. If a shortcut is missing or broken, create a new shortcut to the programs. EXE, right-click Desktop New Shortcut, point to the executable and name it. If the app won't pin or the shortcut fails to open, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and check app permissions. This fixes corrupted links. If problems persist, restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.